We are going to get into this unpacked video swiftly. All right, today we are looking at something that was picked up from the store by the team here, and this is some new packaging from Swiffer. They've gone through a whole kind of brand refresh, including packaging, and there's some cool things that are happening with the packaging and kind of the product in a way. All right, let's jump in. So we've got two different things here. We've got a dry and wet sweeping kit, and then we've got a wet jet mop kit. And you can see this kind of family aesthetic that they're going for. What these cool big hang tabs that are doubling as like carrying handles at the store are a pretty interesting touch, and I like it. I like it. But there's some other cool things that is going on here. One of them is that like more and more brands are really, when you have these long things, these awkward things, more and more brands are doing multi-piece handles. And I think Swiffer's done that for a little while, but it's cool to see more and more brands getting into that space. But here we've got no kind of plastic window in here, and they're touting kind of a reduction of plastic. And it's, again, it's about appropriate material. Is it necessary? Where is it necessary? To what extent? And doing that. But what's cool here is that they've got this pull tab up the side. That didn't quite zip out. Maybe it's better from the top. No, that didn't work. But pulls open, and then you have access to all of the components kind of right here. There's a couple little inserts, one here that keeps everything out of this handle area, another one that keeps all these kind of handle pieces organized and lined up, and then they do have the mopping cloths here in some sealed packs, which makes sense. They're wet packs. And then here they've got these cloths also in some poly bags here. But it's a simple pack. It's, you know, they did some really simple things to create accessibility, to open everything, get all the stuff out. That zipper didn't quite work right, but I don't know. I like the aesthetic. I like what they've done. I like the simplicity, and I think they've carried this family, this whole family thing across here. So once we've got this one over here, this one also didn't quite unzip right. These are actually, designing working zippers like this is actually really hard. There's a lot, and small changes in the material, humidity, things like that can actually impact it pretty drastically. But what we've got here, actually, I'm gonna stop and take note of this. On the top here, they have how to recycle. So they've got the paper box, flatten before recycling. You've got paper inserts, the plastic bags that are not recyclable, and then the plastic bottle empty before recycling. So I like that. That's one of the things I really like about that how to recycle system, is the fact that they break down each of the components and tell you what to do with it and how to recycle it. But you can see in here we've got this, we've got the bottle, which is just a high density blow molded bottle with a little shrink label on it. And then we have all the main device and the same idea, but they've done a really great job of consistency of brand, right? Bringing these elements from paper to corrugated, the same kind of handle, the same graphics treatments, a lot of these elements, the way they've decorated all these interior components, and how they've just maintained consistency. And I really like it. It's a super clean look and really simplistic, minimal packaging. Yeah, like what they've done. If you have some comments about this, let me know in the comments. Put the comments in the comments place. Darn it. And yeah, stay tuned for the next video.